Today we're going to talk about our elevated leg compression shorts. These shorts are designed to work out the muscles from the knee up to the bottom of the rib cage. Hip flexors, glutes, IT bands, awesome massage. Shorts are designed to fit a wide range of athletes with multiple zipper settings inside. So for today, we're working with Karen. We're going to have this set on the smallest zipper setting for her so that she gets a good squeeze out of them. Karen's going to stand up. We're going to put these on. These, again, just like the legs, are designed for individual use. For video purposes, I'm here helping her. I'm going to stand up. She's going to put these on like a pair of shorts. Usually leave one side of the zipper slightly unzipped to make it easy to get on, and then finish the zipper up. Attach your Velcro. Pull it right up to the rib cage. We do not want to go above the rib cage ever, okay? So just right up to the bottom of the rib cage. She's gonna go ahead and sit down now. We're gonna open up her chair so she's comfy. Let's go ahead and have her hook up her hoses. System uses the same hoses as the elevated leg sleeves. So if you've bought the elevated leg system, you don't have to buy any additional hoses in order to have the compression shorts working for you. So she's got them all hooked up now. Come over here to the pump. Again, operates very similar to the leg system. You have massage mode or circulation mode. Circulation mode means that all of the chambers are going to fill at the end of the cycle. All four chambers will be filled with air, and then they'll release. Massage mode, each one of the four chambers will individually fill, pinpointing specific areas as it works from her ribs to her knees. These shorts, we want to start again at a very low pressure. Do a green bar, maybe 2, right? Let's try this once, make sure that everything's comfortable for you. And as you feel the pressure, start to slowly work your way up cycle from cycle until you get to a pressure setting that feels firm but comfortable. You should never experience any pain, any discomfort. If you're experiencing pain or discomfort, any tingling or numbness, you've got the pressure setting too high. Either discontinue use or turn it down. So Karen's very familiar with this product. Again, as an elevated athlete that's been using our products for over 2 years, we're going to go ahead and turn her pressure up to level 14. We're going to set her on 10 minutes. We're going to do circulation mode so all chambers are running. And she is going to start getting squeezed. These work a little different than the legs. So instead of working from the bottom chamber all the way to the top chamber, this alternates from her knee chamber, which is working out knees, quads, hamstrings, some of her IT bands. From there, it's going to jump up to her upper chamber and work out her stomach and back. That chamber number 2, where the stomach and back is, sometimes can be uncomfortable for athletes. So that chamber, again, one of the great functionalities of elevated legs is you have the ability to turn on and off any of these chambers. So if you find that the stomach chamber is not comfortable or is just not needed, go ahead and just turn that one off. Touchscreen functionality, just hit chamber 2, beep, we turn it off. Now you're basically working from your lower back, hips, glutes, all the way down to your knee and focusing on that area. These shorts are definitely a favorite of runners. I meet a lot of runners traveling around the country that have very tight hip flexors. And this is a pretty incredible way to be able to hang out in a chair or in your bed or on a couch and get your hip flexors worked out with, by self-massage with our elevated legs. So she is now filling up the last and final chamber. Top of the IT band should be getting hit. Back of her hamstring should be good and tight. Yeah, let's say that she has really tight IT bands and she just wants to focus on that. She could turn off all 3 chambers but the IT bands and just work her IT bands off. Or let's say her lower back and her hip flexors are really tight, and that's the main thing she wants to focus on. She could turn off the knees and the upper leg and just focus in on that hip flexor and lower back chamber. So this device is now not so much for flushing out waste in circulation per se, as it is to really give you a massage. Again, like we talked about with our legs, think foam roller, just wrapped from your knee all the way up to your rib cage, working everything out. I recommend a 10-minute session to start with on these. If you want more, it's perfectly safe to do more as long as you're not experiencing any discomfort, pain. Keep the pressure at a pressure that's firm but very comfortable.